Can you talk to us about Optimus Prime?
Yes, so this is our elite model. He's standing at 16 inches in height and he has 27 motors. It's completely programmable. We do have a mobile app that pairs with it via Bluetooth, and you can voice prompt it. So right now I'm currently connected to Optimus Prime with Bluetooth using the mobile app, and I can convert him, as you can see, into his standing position. And through the app there's also other actions, so if I were to make him do some push-ups, we can go ahead and do that. So as you can see, the robot is very mobile, it's agile. That's because of those 27 motors that we have. And there's 3 forms of programming. One is a bit more physical. You're physically moving the arms and the positions, and that's how the system is saving the movements. But then we have the mobile app, and for those who are more advanced, you can plug it in directly to your computer, and you'll have access to each and every single one of those 27 motors.